Okay guys, today we got a 2021 Toyota Tacoma. This one's the V6, but I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance reminder that keeps popping up and dinging at you if you need an oil change, and you want to reset this after you do an oil change, obviously. So we'll be using these four buttons here: left, right, up, down, and the center. So right now we're on the information. We want to go over to settings, the very end, and then bring it down to settings, and then from here you have all sorts of different options here, driver info and whatnot. But we're going to bring it to maintenance reset all the way down until you see maintenance reset. Press that using the center button, and then reset reminder, press up and the center button, and that's it. Pretty simple, guys. I hope this helped you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, and click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.